Look at this. Is this a broomfish? Look at this. Is this a prawnfish?
Goodbye.
Look at this. Is this a jaguar cichlid fish?
Yeah!
Look at this. Is this a comb fish?
Goodbye.
Look at this. Is this a channel fish?
Woohoo!
Look at this. Is this a comb fish?
Woo!
Look at this. Is this a red devil fish?
Yeah!
Look at this. This is tilapia fish.
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. Is this a comb fish?
Yes.
Look at this. Is this a red devil fish?
Goodbye.
Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye.
Look at this. Is this a broomfish? Look at this. Is this a channel fish?
Goodbye.
Look at this. Is this a comb fish?
Yeah!
Look at this. Is this a comb fish?
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. It is a prawnfit fish. Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Yeah!
Look at this. This is tilapia fish.
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. It is a jaguar cichlid fish.
Yes!
Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Goodbye!
Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye!
Look at this. It is a comet fish. Look at this. It is a zebra cichlid fish.
Goodbye!
Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Yeah!
Look at this. It is a channel fish.
Goodbye!
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. This is a lemon fish. Look at this. It is a broomfish.
Yeah!
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. It is an eel.
Yes.
Look at this. It is a broomfish.
Goodbye.
Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye.